हाय गाइस, मैं हूं स्नेहा, आपका मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। सो इट्स दैट टाइम ऑफ द मंथ अगेन व्हेन आई शेयर माय लेटेस्ट ऑब्सेशन एंड फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स. So April has been a really exciting month in terms of new discoveries, and I can't wait to dive into my favorites with you all. So my top pick for April is the Pond's Bright Beauty Vitamin C EA range. I have been struggling with blemishes, acne marks and spots for a while now, and this range has been an absolute game changer for me. So I begin my routine with the Bright Beauty Vitamin C EA infused face wash, which gently removes impurities and excess oil without stripping my skin. The star of this range is the Vitamin C EA serum, which contains a potent 12% blend of these three vitamins. It helps reduce blemishes like acne marks, spots, and patches. After using the serum for just 7 days, I noticed a significant improvement in the brightness and overall clarity of my skin. My acne marks and spots are also much less prominent now, and my skin looks more even and radiant. I've been following up the serum with the gel creme from the same range, which is a lightweight creme which gets instantly absorbed and has 1% vitamin C EA. So guys, if you're on a hunt for an effective solution to tackle blemishes and achieve brighter, clearer skin, I highly recommend giving the Pond's Bright Beauty Vitamin C plus E plus A range a try. I'm going to leave a link to buy all these products in the description box below. Do go and check them out and let me know how you liked it. Coming to my next monthly favorite, which is a handbag from Charles & Keith. And as you can see, it's a very gorgeous summery yellow color. I think I've been loving these, very summer season colors. Orange, even my skincare is inspired by that. My handbag, I love it. It is so structured, and I think I got it at a really good, almost 50% off. I love the handle, the top chain, and you can wear it as a shoulder bag. See how chic this looks. Okay, so my next favorite is an app that I've been using on my phone. So it's called Vocabulary. I'm gonna share a screenshot. Looks something like this. So I love learning new things, and I was learning French in the past year, but I grew out of it. I kind of got bored because I had to go to Paris back then. So I was learning a little bit of French, which helped me when I was there because I was not like a complete newbie when it came to their language. I need to learn something new. So I downloaded this app called Vocabulary. So it gives you 10 to 20 new words to learn every day. And I love the fact that it has the word, its explanation, its pronunciation. You can literally hear what it's saying. So there's a word called sagacious. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. So I'll press on the audio here.
Sagacious.
It's called sagacious. So I was saying sagacious, and I love the fact that I can learn something new. And yes, you can also see how it is being used in a sentence. So this is one app that I've been really enjoying learning on these days. Every day I have my notification on for this app, and I love that I get to learn something new off social media on an app like this. Okay, so my next favorite is a food item. It's the Farmley Himalayan Salt Makhana, which has been roasted in olive oil, which is something I love because a lot of these snacks are fried or shallow fried, deep fried, whatever it is, in palm oil, which is quite harmful for us. So I love the fact that they have roasted it in olive oil, and they've written Himalayan Salt Makhana. However, the ingredients say iodized salt, so I'm a little mindful when I'm eating it. But with my evening chai once a day, like a small bowl full of makhanas, I think are much better than your sugar-loaded biscuits or chips or any deep fried snacks. Okay, coming to my last favorite are two perfumes from Zara. So this is Golden Decade and this is Sublime Epoch. I picked it up earlier this month. I know they have come up with new launches the end of this month. Quite a few of them, very excited to pick them up. But I picked this up earlier this month, and you can see I've used almost like 1/3 of both the bottles because I have been loving wearing them every single day. This is more of a morning perfume. This is more of an evening perfume. And I love how they can provide such good quality at very affordable prices. So this is my today's video on my April favorites. Do let me know how you like my video. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. थैंक यू सो मच. आई सी यू वेरी सून इन माई नेक्स्ट वन. बाय बाय.